Our next model on BrassTrains.com is item number 061558. This is a Milwaukee Road Olympia Hiawatha FM Erie-Built ABA diesel engine set. This is from Overland Models and is built in Korea by Ajin. All three units are powered. The A units have operating dual headlights in cab detail as well. And we'll show you how they run together. Should note the lead engine is tethered together to the B unit with the drawbar and pin. The rear engine is rigged to work in this configuration because it has no coupler or draw pin. And this 3-engine set is available at BrassTrains.com. The item number is 061558.